How to download and install PuTTY. This tutorial assumes you are using the Windows operating system, have already opened your favorite web browser, and browsed to google.com. Now let's learn how to download and install PuTTY. Type Download PuTTY in the Google search bar. Then click Google Search. Click PuTTY Download page. You will be taken to the PuTTY Download page. Scroll down to find the download links. Click PuTTY.exe to begin the download. Click Save File to run PuTTY.exe to your computer. Then click Run to open PuTTY and get started. That's it! You have successfully downloaded and launched PuTTY. To exit PuTTY, simply close the window. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to download and open PuTTY.